So, this program po is username and password validation. So, the first line po is ito po yung list ng mga special character po na kakailangan po sa pag-input po ng password. Then, ito po is title program lang po yan. Then, the first is as user info. Then, enter full name. Enter username. Then, next po is, itong condition po na to is validation po siya ng user kung user or admin po. Ayun. Password. Next po is yung password validation. So, dito po is i-check po muna yung password, then kung mas maikli po sa 8 character is magpe-print po siya ng must be at least 8 character long. So, please try again. Then, kapag uppercase, then it requires din po ng uppercase. So, kailangan po is kung wala pong uppercase yung nilagay na password is hindi rin po siya tatanggapin. Kapag lowercase naman po is ganun din po. Kapag wala pong lowercase is hindi rin po siya tatanggapin. Then, kapag number naman po is dapat po at least one number may nakalagay po sa password. Then, special character. So, kung wala pong special character, ganun din po. Di po siya tatanggapin. Next is confirm password. So, kung nakapass po lahat dito yung password is magko-confirm po siya. I-retype lang po yung password kung so, magpe-break na po siya dito. Kung nakapasa po lahat sa requirements yung password. Then, registration kapag successfully login po. So, dito hihingiin po yung username na nilagay po ulit para makalogin. Then, yung password. Then, yung condition po dito is kung tumugma po yung username and password, so, access granted to the admin control. So, kung user lang naman po is granted to user dashboard. So, then, kapag wala po is mag-error message lang po. So, ayan po.